Textiles. Okay, so Ram Textile is a supplier. He is a seller who is going to sell my products to my address or location. Now I've chosen that product, so that is called as an order processing. Once if I click select or buy now, the notification is sent to the seller. Okay, once the notification is sent to seller, what will happen? The seller will make my product get ready. Now the seller will have the inventory, right? So for example, let us assume the particular model saree quantity is the inventory which is available with him is only 10. Now I've ordered one saree, so the inventory will be 9. Okay, so this automatic process, the notification is automatically sent to the inventory department. Okay, so this is what ERP. There is not a single person or a human, they need to sit and write all the thing like, if one person is ordered, so we need to reduce 10 minus 1, that is 9. Okay, there is not a particular thing that we need to follow. If you implement ERP software in any business, it is the thing which integrates all the department in the organization or in the business. Okay, so the notification is automatically sent to the inventory department. For example, it not only focuses on inventory, it also focuses on a purchase, sales, and all the things. Once the order is delivered, the notification is sent to the seller and also the Flipkart website. So all the process which is taken care of the ERP. Okay, now let us assume. So that is what it is, a type of software that helps a company manage all its core processes in one place, from accounting to inventory to human resource and customer services also. Okay, so it integrates all business function. Now let us see the simple example. Think of a large bakery chain of several outlets. So I have a bakery, for example, I have several outlets. The chain needs to manage inventory, track orders, handle employee schedules, and manage sales at each location without ERP. If it is done without ERP, for example, I have many branches, and I just, for example, I own a website, I have many branches. Customer will come and order the product through my website, I'll just get the order. What the employee of my office will do, what the employee of my bakery outlet will do, they will be sitting and uploading all the data in Excel, or they'll be writing, because they need to check all the thing individually without any integration of any software. Now, once if ERP is implemented, it is in a centralized thing where the bakery chain can sell all of its inventory levels, sales, staffing information in one system. You will get all the information in one system, that you don't want to go on. For example, if I'm owner, I don't want to go on. I have, for example, 10 outlets. Imagine, okay, for each outlet I have a different manager. Okay, now for example, here I got an order, maybe for an outlet we can assume like an A, B, C, D, E. For example, I got ordered C and also getting ordered D. For each and every time, I don't want to go and see the purchase department manager or inventory department manager and to cross check and verify how many products we have sold, and whether it is running well, and whether we are running out of stock, or we are running and we have overload of stock. So I didn't want to go and check and individually in all the managers. If I implement ERP, that is in centralized information, it will integrate all the functions of an organization, of any business. See, that is what the bakery chain can sell all its inventory level, sales, staffing information in one system. If I see that system, I'll come to know what is happening in different outlets. That is what an ERP. Now if the main bakery is running low on sugar, the ERP system will alert them to reorder. So this is very important. Okay, so as for example, if I implemented ERP software in my business, for example, I am making Black Forest cake. Okay, so that is my business. I'm baking Black Forest cake and selling Black Forest cake, and what I do, all the type of cakes. For example, what are the raw materials needed for the making cake? We have maida flour, what to say, egg or essence or all the things, sugar and everything, cocoa powder, everything. Okay, now listen. So these are the raw material details I'll be giving in. Already I'll be uploading the data in the ERP software. Okay, if it is getting reduced, automatically the notification is sent to what? To which department? To the procurement department. So the notification will be automatically sent to the procurement department. So they will be, that is what, purchasing. They'll be purchasing all the raw materials which is running in out of stock. So there is not, we don't want a single person or any, we don't want to appoint any team to check the inventory. Just go and report to the purchase team that we are running out of stock of particular the sugar, maida, something. So that is what in ERP software, the automatic notification will be sent to all the departments, and there will not, it streamline the process. That is very important. Okay, so this is what, if the main bakery is running low on sugar, the ERP system can alert them to reorder and keep track of cost and supply it with every branch. Okay, so this is what, so how it works. Data collection, it will collect data from different parts. So once only if you feed data, it will process the data. Without feeding data, nothing will happen. And real time, this is very important. For example, if you're typing any information in Word or Excel, if you close it automatically, nothing will happen. Like if you type anything in a Word or Excel, if you click save and if you close, that's all. If you open it on Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday, now you are doing all the work in Sunday. Even when you open the file on Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, there will not be any change. Okay, because it will not have any real-time data updation, but it will happen in Google form. It will happen in Google Sheets. Okay, now the same way real-time updates. When ERP, it has in real-time updates. When one department makes a change, the other part of system also will update immediately. Synchronization of data will happen. Okay, now reporting and insights. So you can easily extract the report from the ERP software. So by seeing the report, we can make decision. This is what very important. No, so what is analytics? With the help of the data, you'll be analyzing all the thing, and what is the output of the analysis? Making decision. You'll be making some decision. You'll get insight. That is what an output of an analysis. That is what an analytics. Okay, so how will you make decision? By viewing the reports. That is what, so reporting and insights. So if you implement ERP software, you could able to make decisions. And automations, that is very important. Everything is automated in ERP. Yeah, as I say, the components of ERP have inventory management. It will be automatically track stock levels and reorder item. In finance and accounting, it manages incomes, and sales and customer, it tracks sales and what is the customer interaction. Okay, all the details. Even for example, if you take Flipkart, it will have a separate column for the customer ratings, reviews, and all the things. Everything will be taken care of an ERP. Okay, now you know what is ERP now, what is e-commerce. Now what is, how it is important, how it is interrelated with ERP. Let us see how Flipkart use ERP and e-commerce together. Now here's a step-by-step look at how Flipkart e-commerce platform and ERP system work together. The first one is, what is the first thing? Browsing products on Flipkart's e-commerce website. Now, the customer visits Flipkart's website and browses through a variety of products. Now, Flipkart's ERP system ensures that the website shows accurate stock levels of each product. Now, okay, now Flipkart, it has plenty of products. If a customer is browsing for a particular product, imagine if I'm a customer, I'm going to buy watches or some mobile phones, or what to say, a bottles or a tiffin box or anything, chair or table. If I keep on scrolling and I am noticing that for every product I'm getting out of stock, so as a customer or as a user, surely I'll be getting disappointed. So how it is getting managed? How is that every product in an online website or in stock? So here comes the ERP. So that plays a very important role. Okay, so that is what they're telling here. Flipkart's ERP system ensure that website shows accurate stock levels for each product. If a product is sold out, it will either show as an out of stock or disappear from the list of available product. Yeah. See, there out of stock is not shown to every products. It depends upon the, and we have two things. The first one is out of stock and second one is disappear. It depends upon the seller behavior and how, depends upon the product quality also. Okay, Now, for example, you're looking at mobile phones on Flipkart, the system automatically updates product availability. So that if there are only 5 pieces of a particular phone left, it will show that number of to prevent overselling. We have seen already, like, it's only 15 left or 16 left. We have seen many things in a e-commerce platform. So these are all happening only with the help of ERP. Only ERP is a software which is leading all these things. It is integrating all the process. Now, adding products to the cart and placing an order. So this is one. Once the customer finds a product, they add it to the cart. Obviously, once we find the product, one they'll be directly going to the buy now, or they'll be adding to the cart. Now, and proceed to checkout. When the order is placed, Flipkart's e-commerce platform sends the order information to the ERP system. Order once the order is placed, the Flipkart e-commerce platform, it will send the order information to the ERP system. Okay, automatically the information is sent to the ERP system. Now, what the ERP system will do? It will validate the stock and it will confirm there is enough quantity. Okay, then reserves the product in a warehouse, process the payment. So once if I place any order, the ERP will automatically send the information to the where? To the warehouse, and it will check and validate, and it will reserve the product for me. Once it is reserved, it will process the payment. Now, you order a pair of headphones, for example. Flipkart ERP system check its stock, reserves 1 unit of your order, and confirms your payment. Okay. See, this all the things will happen in the background. The notification alone is sent to seller. Okay. So everything will be taken care of the ERP software. Then order processing and inventory management. What will happen in order processing? So ERP system plays a crucial role, right? The ERP updates the inventory automatically, whether the stocks are, for example, if I've already told you if it is 50, it will reduce to, if I order 2, it will reduce into 48. Okay. So yes, and it will alert the warehouse team to reorder. Once the order is confirmed, shipping and logistics, order packing. So now the order is confirmed, the ERP system coordinates with the Flipkart logistic partners to ensure timely delivery. See, it is starting from order processing till the delivery. The ERP is taking care of all the process. So this is what very important. Okay, so order packing in the warehouse, even the shipment scheduling, the real-time tracking, everything will be taken care of the ERP. So the ERP system is integrated with Flipkart delivery partners like an e-card. So both Flipkart and the customer can track the package. This is everybody. See, we are using this in a daily life, and the hero behind all the processes in ERP. Since Flipkart has implemented ERP software, they could able to, grow the business like anything. They can able to maintain or manage the business like anything. Now, this is what. So then the next one is obviously the customer service and return management. So if you want to update and return, you can do, and if you want to track, you can do. If you want to process the refund, all the thing will be processed by the ERP. Then financial management, yeah, same. If you want to see every transaction, whether it is scale, return, or refund, it is automatically recorded by a ERP system for a Flipkart finance team. So this includes taxes, profits, and everything. When you buy the headphone, the ERP system records the sale and automatically updates the revenue reports. If there is a return, it records a refund and revenue accordingly. So this is what we'll just look into the real-time example. When you order a smartphone from Flipkart, it is not just the website you are interacting with. Everybody knows only the Flipkart we are using, and every Flipkart is managing all the things. No, they have implemented ERP, so they could be able to manage the thing in a very proper manner, in effective manner. So it is not just a website you are interacting with. There is a powerful ERP system working in the background. So from checking stock availability to the ensuring your order shipped on time and during the transaction, still from the order processing till the door delivery, and after the refund or all the process, the real hero ERP is working behind it. Now, so Flipkart's ERP makes the entire process seamless, and it manages millions of orders daily. If it is 1,000, 10,000 is okay. So imagine everybody is ordering online. So it is managing a millions of orders daily, ensuring that each customer gets information now. Very smooth experience from browsing to receiving the product. So this is what about the e-commerce and ERP, and how ERP is playing important role in e-commerce. Okay, so